Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a hard Ken Carson type beat. First, let's lay down the foundation with some impactful drums. Begin with a powerful 808, ensuring it hits hard and deep. Next, introduce some fast, intricate hi-hat patterns, varying their velocity to create a dynamic bounce. Finally, place a sharp clap or snare on the second and fourth beats to give your rhythm that signature punch. This combination sets the aggressive tone. Now, let's craft the melodic elements that define this sound. Select dark, atmospheric synth pads for your main melody, focusing on a somewhat dissonant or unsettling vibe. Implement simple, repetitive arpeggios to build a hypnotic and almost trance-like feel. Don't forget to layer in some subtle, eerie background textures. These small details significantly enhance the overall mood and depth of your track, making it truly stand out. Moving on to arrangement and effects, these are crucial for a professional sound. Structure your beat with dynamic changes, incorporating impactful drops and tension-building sections. Apply distortion and saturation to your drums, especially the 808, to give them that raw, aggressive edge. Use reverb and delay effects judiciously. A little goes a long way in creating a sense of space and depth without muddying the mix. This makes your beat hit harder. Finally, let's talk about mixing and mastering to get that polished, professional sound. Ensure all your elements are balanced, allowing each part to shine without clashing. Give your low frequencies a significant boost to achieve that heavy, impactful bass characteristic of the style. And hey, while you're perfecting your sound, remember to check the description for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals. Master your track to a competitive loudness, making sure to avoid any clipping for a clean, powerful finish.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.